welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to see how you can deactivate the views in your post of TikTok on TikTok. So the first step is go to the application, and after that in your feed you need to go to the profile here, and after that you need to pick here in the superior right corner in the bottom of the three lines. So this option, this button of that these three lines, you need to pick. This is the button of settings and privacy, and you need to pick here in settings and privacy. And after that, you need to go. You need to pick in the second option of privacy. So here in privacy, you need to go down to the option of post views. So you need to pick here, and I got activate the option. But if you want to, you want to deactivate that option, the only thing you need to do is here in the blue switch, and that's it. You deactivate the views, the post views. So this is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.